Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Cash App card not activating. So there's actually multiple reasons why you aren't able to activate your Cash App card. So to identify the reason why you aren't able to activate your Cash App card, then we'll have to actually contact support for this one. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up your Cash App application. Then from the main menu, you'll have to locate your profile icon. So your profile icon is actually located at the top right of your screen. Now from there, you need to look for support and just click on it. Now from there, you just need to press on start a chat and you'll be able to connect to a representative from Cash App, and you'll just need to discuss with them with your issues, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.